Welcome to this use case video on configuring alerts for a job stream. In this video, you'll see how an IT operations supervisor uses AAI to define alert strategies for the operations team and stakeholders, so they receive meaningful alerts while managing critical job streams. Meet Andy. She's an IT operations supervisor at Apex 10, a fictitious global financial services firm. She's responsible for configuring job streams across the many schedulers she is responsible for. In this scenario, Andy needs to configure the hourly Forex transfers job stream from the EMEA region. Her goal is also to define the appropriate alerts for this job stream so that the right teams are notified whenever runs encounter critical interruptions. Andy already has a filtered timeline view that tracks similar job streams from other regions. She now needs to extend that visibility to include the job stream for Forex transfers from EMEA. To begin, Andy needs to identify the target job, which is the final job in the hourly EMEA Forex transfer process. She knows this job stream must be a part of other business areas but needs to include it in her filtered timeline view. Andy navigates to the job stream definitions page, which displays all job streams in AAI across multiple business areas. To narrow her search, Andy clicks the standard filters option and uses the AI filter assistant to type her search query in natural language. She looks up all job streams that are related to the EMEA region. From the filtered job stream definitions list, Andy locates the specific job stream she needs. She clicks on the job stream name to open its details, and on the Basic Information tab of the job stream details page, she finds the target job which she'll use to create a new job stream tailored to the EMEA region. She clicks on the target job name to get started with creating a new job stream. This opens the job details page where Andy reviews all the properties associated with this target job. She also notes that this view is part of the Jobs tab in AAI. To begin creating a new job stream using this job as the target job, Andy clicks the Add Job Stream button. In the Add New Job Stream pane, she sees that the job stream is initially named after the target job by default. She reviews the job details and then renames the job stream to something more descriptive for easier identification. Next, in the Job Stream Hierarchy tab, Andy assigns the job stream to a relevant business area. For her monitoring purposes, she selects a business area categorized by user, ensuring the job stream appears in her filtered timeline view. With that, Andy proceeds to create the job stream. Back in the timeline view, the newly added job stream now appears in her filtered timeline view. AI has automatically populated the job stream with historical run data, giving Andy immediate visibility into past performance. Andy now needs to define the SLA and alert criteria for this job stream. She starts by clicking on the job stream name. This opens the job stream's definitions page on the Run Details tab, where Andy sees the job stream's run history, including its run durations. On the Deadlines and Rules tab of the job stream page, Andy sees that the default SLA is applied. This is the system-calculated SLA based on the job stream's end time criterion. Andy can also see that SLA alerts are set to on, but the alerts, as seen in the Alerts section, are not activated yet, which is the default setting when a job stream is created. Andy first wants to add a start by time to the SLA before activating alerts for the job stream. To get started, she clicks the pencil icon in the SLA section. This expands the section to reveal the Start by Time option, where Andy can configure a start by time so that she can also add an alert to be triggered as soon as a run begins later than that time. She clicks on the Add Start By button to get started. In the expanded section, Andy adds a start by time for this job stream and chooses the system calculated value. She also retains the system calculated SLA deadline. As soon as Andy saves the SLA condition, a notification appears on the screen that confirms her selection. Andy also has the option to add multiple SLA conditions for different days or business scenarios by clicking the Add Conditional Rule button. However, there's no need for additional SLAs for this job stream, so she moves on to the Alerts section, where she clicks the Settings button to begin activating alerts for this job stream. This opens a dialog with 3 tabs. In the Settings tab, which is open by default, Andy sees the alert types sorted by category. In the first category, the Start by Alerts, Andy activates the Late Start Time alert and enables the email notification for this alert type. And since this is an important alert, she sets the severity for this alert type to critical. In the SLA Alerts category, Andy activates the Predicted Late and Exceeded Deadline alerts. She enables email notifications for both, and additionally enables an SNMP trap for the Predicted Late alert to support automated incident response. In the Run Alerts category, Andy chooses to activate only the Not Predicted to Finish or the NPTF alert type. She enables the SNMP trap for this alert type too, since it is critical to prevent failure of this job stream's runs because this will impact other dependent processes. As a best practice, Andy avoids over-configuring alerts to keep monitoring focused and triage efforts meaningful. In the Email Addresses tab of the dialog box, Andy updates the email addresses to which the alert notifications must be delivered. She includes both the operations and the IT teams in the alert notifications list. In the Blackout Period tab, Andy disables alerts over weekends since the runs on weekends have no critical business impact. She proceeds to save the alert settings, which is confirmed by a notification on the Deadlines and Rules tab, from where she started activating alerts for the job stream. Here, she also sees that the alerts she activated are now visible in the Alerts section. With that, we conclude this use case scenario on configuring alerts for a job stream. Before we wrap this up, let's do a recap of what we learned from this scenario. From this scenario, we learned that you can use the AI filter assistant to define filter criteria using natural language inputs. You can create a new job stream using a known target job. You can assign job streams to relevant business areas for easier monitoring. Define start-by conditions in relation to SLA conditions for a job stream. Activate job stream alerts that are relevant and meaningful for your team. Set alert severity and route notifications via email and SNMP traps. And define blackout periods for when the runs have no business impact. With that, we wrap up this scenario on configuring alerts for a job stream. In the next scenario, we will explore how you can reconfigure alerts to reduce noise. Thank you.